Welcome back to my channel, Smokin and Grillin, and today we air frying with me, AB. Now this is gonna be just like a little bit of a different type of video. You know what? Because it's not about how I made the wings, but this is all about the sauce. Today, I'm getting ready to show you guys how you can make something, you know, just a little bit different. We don't have to chase that traditional lemon pepper wings, things of that nature. You know what I mean? So listen, I'm getting ready to show you guys how you can make very, very fast a great sauce to put on your chicken wings. Now you can cook your wings, you know, you can cook them like this or like that. Either way, oven, we can do them in the air fryer, or we can do them the old fashioned way. We can go ahead and just put them in that grease, you know what, and deep fry them. Either way, you pick your tool of choice. You know what I mean? If that's your poison, let's get down. But this video is all about showing you guys how I make sweet and spicy mustard wings. With that being said, let's go ahead and just break right into this video. Now remember, this video is not about how I made the chicken. I made that chicken in my air fryer, my Philips Turbo Smart Airfryer. What you're seeing right here is all of my ingredients. You know, I've already measured them out, put them in, you know, little small bowls. This is what makes cooking for myself, and I believe it'll help everybody. It just makes it so much easier if you just line out your ingredients. So after you have all your ingredients, you know, ready, you can go ahead, listen, and in no particular order, go ahead and just, for me, I like to start with just, you know, getting my my butter to melt. Then after that, then I put in my mustard, my hot sauce, and then listen, we're talking about wings. So when we talk about wings, you automatically think about Frank's Red Hot. So listen, you gotta have that. If you don't, any old hot sauce will do, but that right there is just like a staple when you start thinking about hot wings. So that's the spice. After that, then we're gonna do brown sugar. We're gonna go ahead and put that W sauce in there. Then we're gonna, you know, sprinkle that that pepper on there. And then we're gonna just get it, you know, we're gonna use that heat from the pan to like get the ingredients to like melt together and just blend. And after that, we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt. You didn't see me line out the salt, but I went ahead and put some salt in there. And listen, that'll be to taste. It's up to you how you know, the blend that you would like. So somewhere anywhere between like a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of salt. And after that, go ahead and take your wings and then just start coating your wings. As with all of my videos, the full recipe with quantities is going to be left down in the description box below. Now, as you can see right here, this is where the magic happens. And again, it doesn't make a difference how you made your wings. Like I said earlier, either you did them in the oven, you could have did them, even on the grill. However, this is where the magic is. This is when you put them in there, you put them in your sauce, and you go ahead and coat them. And listen, as the sauce dries, it gets a little, you know, they're not as runny as you see them right now. So, you know, it sticks to the wing. And what I can tell you is it's just like super awesome. So if you got some wet naps, you're going to need them for your fingers and you're going to need them for your mouth. Boom. So tell me what you guys think about there. You know what? Super easy to make. You know what I mean? Easy on the time. And one thing I tell you about using the air fryer, because listen, if you're at home, whether you're watching a basketball game or whatever you're watching, or just kicking back, you know what, watching some just old school TV, you know what, you can just go ahead and throw some wings in the air fryer, make them, get yourself about 10 to 15 for yourself. Or is that too many? You know what, let me know in the comment section below, you know, what's your magic number on these wings. So listen, if you're new to my channel, let me go ahead and just say, hey, welcome to my channel. You know what? Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button. You know what? Subscribe, tell your friends, share with everybody, and let everybody know on this channel here, we taking the mystery out of cooking. And with that being said, you guys, I'm out.